Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are learning Namaz for Men. Today inshallah we will read the Qawma position, like after the ruku when we stand up, what we read in that position with the Tajweed rules. Let us start now. And before starting, if you didn't subscribe my channel Online Islamic Classes English, so please subscribe it and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all new videos. Now we start. So here is the position of Qawma, which we called like after the ruku. So what is the instructions? You can see Qawma is to stand up from ruku and return to Qiyam position, keeping your arms straight by your side. Figure number 5 you can see here. In this position we will be after the ruku when we stand up from ruku by saying this tasmi' and tamheed, which is written here, these wording by saying while standing, and make sure like your arms should be straight when you stand up from ruku. While standing up from ruku, recite tasmi', and when stood up, recite tamheed, right? When you stand up from ruku, you should recite tasmi' like Sami Allahu Liman hamida, and when you stand up, so you have to read Rabbana Lakal hamd. And now we read how to say these words. So the first is tasmi'. When you stand up from ruku, so there is a sami'a. So the first scene with fatha sign sa, mim has kasra mi, Sami, ain will connect with the name of Allah, and the name of Allah again will be bold. Before the name of Allah there is fatha sign, so we say Sami Allahu. So we do not long anywhere, only we long this Allah name, like here is a standing fatha also. Then we say Sami Allahu, Sami Allahu Liman. The first li, then man, Liman, Liman Hamidah. Okay, ha has fatha, mim has kasra, hami, dal has again fatha, da, Hamidah, and there is ha with an inward dhamma or standing dhamma. So when we say this ha, so if we say together, so we say hamidahu, hamidahu, right? We long here, but mostly we stop here, we say hamidah. So when we stop here on this type of the letters and this sign comes if there, so we skip this sign like standing dhamma, we skip, and we put a sukun sign on the ha, and then dal will connect with the ha with the sound. Hamidah, Hamidah. Okay, and you will not say any gunna sound here, Liman Hamida. That is wrong. There is izhar after the nun sakin. The next letter is of ha. The next letter is one of the total letters. That's why we are making izhar here. So what we say here, Liman Hamida, Liman Hamida. Now we say Sami Allahu Liman Hamida. And now we all say together Sami Allahu Liman Hamida. And when we say together, so this huli, so this will be like because we say immediately, so that will be together then. Sami Allahu Li, right? Huliman. Sami Allahu liman hamidah. Sami Allahu liman hamidah. And when we stand up, we say tamheed, and tamheed is called Rabbana Lakal hamd. We say Rabbana. Rabb is bold, heavy sound. We connect with the ba with the strong voice. Rabba. And now we long here is alif madda. Rabbana. Rabbana. Lam has fatha. Kaf we connect with the lam. Lakal. Lakal. Kaf is light. That's why light sound read. Lakal. Ha we connect with the meme. Ham. Dal has dhamma. Do we say do? Hamdu. If we say hamdu, so there will be no any kalkala sound. But if you stop here on the dal, then there will be kalkala. Because kalkala letters, if have a sukoon sign, at that time we make kalkala there. Otherwise we do not make. So we say hamd, and here will be strong kalkala. So we say again, Rabbana lakal hamd. Rabbana lakal hamd. Rabbana lakal hamd. And after that we say Allahu Akbar. By saying Allahu Akbar, you have to go into sajda. And into sajda, what we read and how will be the position of a man in sajda, that inshallah we read in the next class. So just remember, you will read in this position Sami Allahu liman hamidah. Rabbana lakal hamd. And then we say Allahu Akbar. And by saying this, you will move into sajda. I hope you like this video. If you like, so please click on the like button and share with your friends. Inshallah, in the next class, we will learn the new lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.